Thank you for joining us for an inside look at how Polar Electro is winning the race in wearable sports technology. Behind the products, behind the brand, you can see their strategy to optimize product development.
We provide smart guidance based on heart rate, GPS data to athletes of all levels to be able to reach their fitness goals. Sports applications are tough and our customers use them in so many different environments. So we definitely need our products to be robust and survivable. Some of our big challenges, they are relating to the growing complexity of the technology, the connectivity between our devices and other third-party devices like mobile phones or third-party sensor platforms. And we also have a desire to continue to be more efficient and have faster development cycles, and also to be able to better manage the variations of our products.
Polar's products are designed for challenging sports applications and environments. Teamcenter Product Lifecycle Management software provides the collaboration foundation to connect people and processes across the business.
When we start a new product development project, we first create our sales items in Teamcenter. And after that, different design teams can add their own substructures, like mechanical designers, electrical designers, sales packaging designers.
To eliminate time wasted searching for the right information and the difficulty of sharing information across domains or with manufacturing, Teamcenter provides an integrated approach to design management that combines mechanical, electronics, software, and simulation data into a single collaborative environment that can be easily searched and securely shared.
We have also integrated NX and Mentor tools with Teamcenter. We also manage our hardware-software compatibility in Teamcenter.
So we need to be able to swap out the old technologies on a faster cadence, as well as to be able to introduce the new ones. From industrial design, mechanical design, manufacturing, they're all using the PLM solutions to be able to collaborate and to be able to get the designs refined and iterated as quickly as possible, and then to be able to get them into mass manufacturing with precision.
For complex electromechanical products, a seamless handoff from engineering to manufacturing is critical. Teamcenter provides a complete and shared understanding of the product and early downstream access to the data. Teamcenter speeds up cycle time and improves product quality with configurable closed-loop change processes. Teamcenter is a 4-star CM2 certified change management tool to help people assess the real impact of even seemingly minor changes by identifying what parts of the product will be affected and provide everyone with visibility to the change.
We also have engineering change management process, which is implemented into Teamcenter.
Teamcenter enables you to visually navigate complex models and collaborate to correct issues early using the digital twin. Leveraging ISO standard JT visualization, people can easily view, mark up, interrogate, and exchange 2D and 3D design data developed internally or generated by a supplier. Suppliers can share visualization data using JT2Go, a no-cost deploy-on-demand 3D viewing product available on Windows, Android, and iOS platforms that delivers detailed 3D product and manufacturing information using lightweight 3D JT format. Development teams and supply chains can review drawings, interrogate 3D product information, and collaborate in the context of complete bills of material.
To be able to keep the product in mass production efficiently and to manage its whole life cycle. With our suppliers and our partners, Siemens is like the de facto standard. PLM is a very powerful tool for having more efficient management and having the collaboration between the teams. The digital twin is a big opportunity for Polar going forward. If we're able to use the digital twin to replicate these test scenarios that would otherwise have to be done in a physical environment, it can really dramatically speed up our processes, get products out to the market faster.
Now you've seen how Polar Electro takes an integrated approach to cross-domain design and development with Teamcenter. Thanks for watching this inside look. For more information, visit our website at siemens.com/Teamcenter.